Welcome to Ohio Notary Services and becomeanohionotary.com. Ohio Notary Services is the only company approved by the Ohio Secretary of State to provide you with the education and testing you need to become a remote online notary. We've created this brief video to help you understand the steps you need to take to earn your Ohio Remote Online Notary Public authorization. You must be a notary public in Ohio to become a remote online notary. So you must either already be commissioned or are going through the process to become commissioned as a traditional notary public at the same time as you are a remote online notary. Another item you need to know as part of your registration process with the Secretary of State is the name of the online notary software platform that you will be using. Ohio Notary Services recommends using SIGNiX, and information about SIGNiX can be found at the link on your screen. Now, the first step, visit us at becomeanohionotary.com, register for and view the 2-hour class, and then pass a 30-question test. Once you've passed the test, you can download the successful completion certificate to your computer because you will need to upload that on the Secretary of State's website. If by chance you don't pass the 30-question test, the state mandates a 30-day waiting period before you can retake the exam. Once you are ready to retake the exam, you can log into your account and register for the retake exam and move forward from there. Once you have the completion certificate from Ohio Notary Services, visit the Ohio Secretary of State's website at the link on the screen and select File Notary Commission Applications. That is where you will upload that certificate as your part of your application process with the Secretary of State. Once you've received the confirmation email congratulating you on becoming a remote online notary public from the Secretary of State, return to becomeanohionotary.com, select Notary Supplies, and order a new digital notary seal that you will use in your remote online software platform. After you finish those 3 steps, you're done. But what you need to remember is that your authorization as a remote online notary public will expire at the same time as your traditional notary public commission. So when the time comes to renew, you will renew both the traditional and the remote online notary permissions at the same time. And you do that with us at www.becomeanohionotary.com. Thank you for spending the last few minutes with us, and be sure to visit Ohio Notary Services at www.becomeanohionotary.com for all of your Ohio Notary Public needs. Best wishes to you.